In this video, we are going to discuss about the most simple price action, or let's say indicator, called as Darwas box indicator. You already familiar with the Darwas box, but why I'm again repeating this? Because you already know this price action, but you don't know the name. Okay, so what is meant by Darwas box? Let's consider one scenario here. Suppose if market gave one movement, and after movement market will go for consolidation phase for the long time. When market will go for the consolidation phase, then we just need to embed that consolidation phase into one rectangular box. Okay, this is as much simpler as it look like. So this rectangular box called as Darwas box. See, Darwas box. See, I already told you, you already know this price action, but you don't know the name. After consolidation phase, if market break this upside or downside at any side, that means that trend will start and market will again continue the trade with the faster momentum. That's the reason. Or let's say that's the theory behind the Darwas box price action. Now let's take in the chart example. Here, this is the chart. In the indicator, previously if you type Darwas box, then you will get Darwas box as an indicator. But nowadays, TradingView is removed Darwas box. The reason is Darwas box is giving the false signals into the chart. So how to draw Darwas box? It's really simple. Now let's go to here. Instead of brush, select the rectangular area. Okay, if you already observed that how Darwas box look like, then only you are familiar with. Otherwise, Darwas box is always look like this one. Why I marked this one? If you look at this one, most of the chart, like most of the pattern are happening in this chart only. Okay, this is the after giving the breakout, it is the consolidation phase. Now what is the correct entry point? If market break this one, took support and market will break this one, that means market will move upside only. Upside moment will down. Upside moment will start. If market will move downside, then market will break at the downside, then downside movement will start. That's the logic behind the Darwas box. Now when to use Darwas box? As a intraday, I'm not suggesting go to Darwas box, because in the intraday, just check the inside bar candlestick and more candle inside, that definitely itself is a Darwas work, acting as a Darwas box indirectly. But you can choose one day as a time frame, and if you are going for the swing trading for the long term, like 15 days or 30 days, swing trading, or or you want to trade or you want to invest for the equity, for short term equity, then only go for equity. Is nothing but investing. Go for the Darwas box price action. I am not suggesting you to go for the Darwas box only for 1 hour or 2 hour or 1 minute or 10 minutes. It will work, but the good amount of winning ratio is in 1 day time frame. More the time frame, better the results. That's the theory behind the Darwas box. If I shift to 4 hours, then again you will see good example of the Darwas box. 4 hours, let's embed this Darwas box here. 4 hours, then only you can see the good example of Darwas box. Good rally in the Darwas box. That's the full reason behind the Darwas box. Hope this is not that much complicated as compared to other price actions. Other price actions is also simple, but this is very simple price action. Just thought share with you so that you will familiar with the Darwas box. Okay, hope you understood the video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.